Hi, Derek. I'm actually traveling today, so at this point in the day, I look like this too. It's pretty damn funny. Anyway, enjoyed reading your letter. It was super interesting. My family brought me to the airport, and I showed them uh, the pictures of all those boxes on the ground, and we were all really amazed. It's funny what you don't hear on the news, but I don't always watch the news. I read the internet. That said, I hope you guys can mellow out, do a lot of stuff for each other. Like, if the movies are open, that's always a good solution. But don't worry about school. You can get an incomplete. You can skip the rest of the semester. What is it, a week? Um, and they give you a lot of time to do the incomplete, and I will be happy to. So you're a good student. You really don't have to do much to still get an A. You just have to turn in stuff. Um, so don't worry about it. Just relax. I've given incompletes. I think they last for an entire semester. So just really don't worry and take it easy. All right. I'll talk to you soon.